Presentations don't have to be linear. And they definitely don't have to be boring. With the right approach, a presentation can feel less like a sequence of slides, and more like an experience you move through. In this video, we're exploring 5 different presentations, each with a unique purpose, style, and story, all connected by one idea: interaction. Let's begin with something bold. The first presentation introduces a vision of the future, a 3D AI-powered showroom. Instead of static product images, it presents a fully immersive environment where users can explore, interact, and experience products in a completely new way. It challenges the limitations of traditional online shopping and shows how technology can transform engagement and perception. The second presentation takes a similar idea, but through a different lens: a modern pitch deck. Clean, structured, and designed for clarity, it focuses on storytelling that speaks to investors. Every slide is intentional. Every transition supports the narrative. The goal here is simple: communicate value, quickly and effectively. The third presentation shifts tone completely. This one is a visual journey through untouched natural environments. It relies less on information, and more on emotion. Strong imagery, minimal text, and carefully chosen colors work together to create a calm, immersive atmosphere. Instead of guiding the viewer with data, it invites them to feel, to pause, and to connect. Then we return to structure, but with a different aesthetic. The fourth presentation is a portfolio. It's designed to showcase work in a way that feels modern, yet refined. Clean layouts, balanced compositions, and smooth navigation allow the viewer to move freely between projects. It's not just about showing content, it's about how that content is experienced. And finally, we come to the fifth presentation, a pitch deck reimagined through style. Here, design becomes part of the message. A mix of gold accents, neon highlights, and a strong visual identity creates something that feels both premium and contemporary. It stands out immediately, while still maintaining clarity and purpose. Across all of these presentations, one thing remains consistent. They are not built to be followed step by step. They are built to be explored. With tools like Slide Zoom and PowerPoint, you can move beyond the traditional flow. You can jump between ideas, navigate sections, and create a structure that adapts to your story, not the other way around. Because in the end, it's not about how many slides you have. It's about how people move through them.